5, 4, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2. क्या? Okay, I'll. So 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10 and 18. Correct?
18,
अब 9,
19
10,
आता है।
19. Correct. Now 8 and 9, 17.
13,
6 and 10, 13.
13 and 15.
Then 15.
Hmm.
So 8 will remain here. When 1 goes there, it becomes 20. So 0. 2 goes further, 9. 1 goes further, 4. 1 goes further, 1, 6.
तो 8 0 और वो 2 ऐड करना है। ओके ठीक।
भाई 19 plus 1 20 तो होगा।
हाँ
तो उसमें सोचना क्या है? तो कुछ सोचने का है ही नहीं।
ठीक है ठीक।
Yes, any other doubts? Yes, Anita. We'll be starting with then subtraction today, and थोड़ा सा माउस की प्रॉब्लम है मुझे, नहीं तो what is subtraction basically? Yes, subtraction is basically a net difference between the two numbers. So if A and B are given, then if A minus B is given and the solution is given C, now A is known as minute, B is known as, yes,
Subtrahend.
subtrahend, correct? And C is known as your net difference. So this is what is known as subtraction, where we find the net difference between the two numbers. Correct. Now, if subtrahend is less than minute, then it is no problem. But problem arises when subtrahend is more than the
minute.
Yes. Now let's see, for example. First, we'll be doing with Shuddha method, and now how we have to do is, let's see. Jerry? All fine now?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Chalo. So if 37 is to be subtracted from 12, then we don't have any difficulty because 7 is bigger than 2. I'll get 5, not an issue. 3 is bigger than 2, 1, I get the solution. Up till here, no problem is there. The problem arises when we have now here your subtrahend is bigger than your minute. So S is bigger here. Now here the problem arises, and here where there is a silly mistakes, we just borrow. And when we borrow, this becomes 1 less and this increases by 10. Yes, this is what happens. So a student get confused ki 1 is taken and it becomes 10. And there is always a error on this, right? And if it is a 3-digit number, again big error comes or big confusion is there. Now, how do we solve this in Vedic maths? It's a very simple system. 92 minus 48. Now, whenever your subtrahend is bigger than your minute, what we do, we will find complement of this. Disturbance kahan se aa kar diya. So we'll find the complement. Now what is complement of 8? Yes, Smita. First exercise kiya tha. What is complement of 8?
2.
2. So complement is always all from 9 and last from 10. So if it is a single digit number, so very clearly. Now, whenever we find complement, we will put a Shuddha sign on the next line. And whenever we have found complement, now we will not subtract, we will add these two. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4 and 9 minus 4, because now this is not 4, this is 5. So 9 minus 5 becomes, sorry, 44. So 9 minus 5 becomes 4. Got it? Any doubt? 36 minus 19. So 6 is bigger. So what I do, I take a complement of this. So that is 1. Now I'll add up. But before, I'll put a Shuddha sign also. So 6 plus 1 becomes 7. And 3 minus 2 becomes 1. Is it clear? Yes, Smita?
Yes, sir.
Anita? Jerry? Opal is not coming. Okay. Let's move to a bigger number. Yes, what happened, ma'am? Okay, let's take another example. 72 minus 39. Now again see, this is your minute. This is your subtrahend. So minute is greater than subtrahend. So whenever you get m more than this, So just find the complement of subtrahend. So what is the complement here? 1.
1.
And we add these two. And before that, we'll just put a Shuddha sign on the next line. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. And 7 minus 4 becomes 3. Yes, any doubt now? So that is why we say we don't have any borrow system. And we have used what we have used. We have used the Nikhilam one, complement. Correct? Okay. 9, 3, 2, 5, 6, 4. Again, 2 is less than 4. So taking a complement, that is 6. First, Shuddha sign. So 2 plus 6 becomes 8. 3 minus 7. Again, it is a bigger one. So now this is 7. So complement of 7 is 3. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. Here 9 minus 6 becomes. Yes. Any doubts now? Any questions?
No,
Yes,
sir.
Anita?
No, no, sir.
Sweetie, any questions?
No, sir. I was having a network issues coming in and out, so no worries.
This is what we have started
I'll
with.
recheck the. Yeah, subtraction, sir. I know the basics. So
Shuddha
I'll recheck
method.
the video. आज मेरा network issue हो रहा है.
Okay. Yes, solve 874 minus 567. Very important topic I'll be doing today. After this, after one topic more. That is generally not given. Yes, what is the answer?
307.
Okay, got it. Any doubts now?
No, sir.
Yes, Anita.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So today we'll be starting with the second step also. Minus 5645. Yes.
Sir, can you please do this one because I lost the connection.
271
Sir.
Which
Please
one? This
help,
one?
Help me once. Yes, sir.
271.
Yes.
Okay. See, when we go for now, what is subtraction? That is minute minus subtrahend.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Now here, this is bigger. So what do? We take a complement of 5.
Complement. Yeah, 5.
5. And
Right.
at the same time, we add a Shuddha sign towards the next. So 3.
Next,
Now
okay.
this is to be added. So 3
5
plus
plus 3, 8. Yeah.
and again 6 minus 5. Now it is smaller. So okay, 1. Here
1.
just give me 1 second. So 6 minus, sorry, 3 minus 6. Now again, this is bigger. So what do? We take a
4.
and Shuddha sign. So this has to be taken care of. Journey, what happens? I think everybody needs to talk.
7. Two.
मीठा पड़ा है तो चावल से खाना.
271.
Yes, I got. So can you take some bigger numbers where there is involvement of 0 in the between and everything?
तो 6 का कंप्लीमेंट 4, तो 4 और 6 10 हो गए नाउ.
6 is 0.
नो सर सेइंग ना कि कंप्लीमेंट लेना है पहले 6 का. 6 का कंप्लीमेंट
नहीं, 6 minus 6 is 0 ना direct. Why will we take complement?
33120. Answer 33120. Three. Sir, answer is 33120. Sir, sir,
Yes, Smita.
33120. Sir, मेरे आवाज आ रही है?
मैंने गलती से म्यूट किया हुआ था, सॉरी.
हाँ 33120 makeups.
Sorry. Now, see again here, 0 is less than 9. So 0 plus 1. Again, 1 is less than 7. Sorry, 8 now. So 2.
2.
So then इसके बाद
3. 6 minus 3.
yes, sweetie, is it fine now? Okay. So that means everybody is clear on this topic. So this is known as Shuddha method of subtraction.
Yes.
Now let's go for the second approach. Now second approach is known as Vinculum method. Your favorite topic. So everybody is. Now, how do we do? See, just now we did one question that was 32 approximately minus 18. Correct. So what I was doing, I took complement of 8 and then added and used Shuddha sign. So 4 and 1. Now in Vinculum method, because you don't have that much of time sometimes, how can it be done directly? So what is 2 minus 8? Yes. Yes, Anita. 2 minus 8 कितना होता है?
Bar 6.
Yes. You don't have to worry. See, this is a beauty. This was not practical in normal mathematics, because in normal maths, one number will have one sign. Either it is positive or either it is negative. But it is the Vedic mathematics where every digit can have different identity, a different sign. And here it is 2. Now, after this, you can easily convert. So 2 6 bar is 20 minus 6. So that is 14.
14.
Got it? This you will be using number of times when you'll be multiplying, when you'll be finding the squares, when you'll be doing cubes. In several methods, you'll find this. Even the base method of multiplication will be starting today. You'll be finding the same thing. So you have to do Vinculum. You cannot avoid. All those who think that we will not use, they cannot do. Because number of times this will come. Whenever one number is more, one number is small, then this will come. Clear? Any doubt up till here?
No.
Okay, the same. Let's talk about the same number. I move back. 6106. Okay, spell small number. 874 minus 567. Now again, 4 minus 7 is 3 bar. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 3. You have to be quick. 310 minus 3. So what is that? Yes, Smita. 310 minus 3.
7. 7.
So now you have to be quick enough. Here nobody would be asking you use place value or use decimal or rules, but you have to be clear, prompt enough. So if it is a smaller number, place value will be fine, but if it is a bigger number, then rules have to be applied. Then only it is easy. Any doubt?
No, sir.
900 minus 542. Yes. So 0 minus 2 is?
2 bar.
Bar 8.
Bar 8, how?
Sorry.
Ah,
I
bar
was in
2.
the answer, so
Sorry.
it was like I was just answering that.
No problem. No issue. And here, bar 4
Bar 4.
and 4. So now very easy. You have to remember 400 minus 42 is 358. Or otherwise, apply the rules. If it is decimal, add 10. So adding 10 means 8. Another, sorry, if it is bar, add 10. If it is bar, add 9.
9.
And if it is positive, subtract. Finish. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So these are the two methods, two different approaches. One is known as Shuddha method of subtraction. Second is known as Vinculum method. And third, even that Nikhilam Sutra, we can do subtraction, but we'll do later when you have complete understanding of base, sub-base and everything. Right? Okay. Solve one more. 931, 542.
Three 389, sir.
389. तो आपको subtraction आती है. What was the number in Vinculum? Tell me that.
4-1.
Yes. See, that is more, that practices to be made, right? Otherwise, I can understand all of you are teachers, so very easily you can find subtraction. Clear? Any doubt? So easy है ना? बच्चा, if छोटे बच्चों को you don't have to teach Vinculum. I told you earlier also. They will not be able to understand Vinculum concept. Yes, Smita. Any doubts?
No,
बोले नहीं आप कुछ?
no, sir.
Okay. टेस्ट है इसके बाद अब 2 मिनट में. Yes, what is the answer?
3 bar 2 bar. Answer is
Fast.
2718.
Correct. Right? So all done? Any doubt? Addition, subtraction, Vinculum, any doubt left?
no, sir.
Okay. Now test. Yes, Smita. How will you do this? Anita? Sweetie? Jerry, you are not speaking anything. What happened? You're revising. So tell.
Yes, sir. I'm listening actually.
Okay, you remember this thing?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, then wait.
Either we add 83 plus 24 and 35 plus 52 and then subtract it as a whole, or just bifurcate 80 plus 3 minus 30 plus 5 plus 20 plus 4 minus 50 plus 2.
This everybody, this system everybody knows. This is in normal mathematics.
Yeah.
If number of digits are more, and second thing, what you are telling, we are going to waste our time in first finding the addition and then finding the second set of addition and then subtracting the both. So why we are doing Vedic mathematics? See, this is the beauty of this subject. In normal maths, you cannot simultaneously add and subtract. This is the biggest hurdle in normal mathematics.
So that is for vinculum.
I'll give you. Yes, Anita.
Sir, I have no idea.
आप पढ़ाते हो क्लासेस, ऐसे मत बोलो.
सर 83 और 24 पे मैंने वो लगाया, मतलब 80 प्लस 20.
Yes, Smita. See,
You say no idea.
जो आप कह रहे हो वो क्या कर रहे हो, 83 और 24 को ऐड किया, आपका आ गया 107, करेक्ट. फिर आपने दूसरे दो को ऐड किया, उसका भी आ गया आपके पास 87. फिर आपने आंसर निकाल लिया 20. बट आपने देखा आपने कितने स्टेप्स लगाए. फर्स्ट आपने इन दो को ऐड किया, फिर इन दो को ऐड किया, और ये सिर्फ 4 एक एग्जांपल है. अगर ये 8 नंबर होते तो. सो व्हाट इज, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो सिस्टम अवेलेबल. हमारे पास वहां पे सिस्टम ही नहीं है. आई टोल्ड यू कि विनकुलम नंबर इज अ मिरेकल, बिकॉज every digit can have different sign. Now see this, 83 can be written as 83. Any doubt? 35 is minus, so can I not write this as 3 bar 5 bar? 24 is positive and 52 is again negative. देखो, all cut, 3 and 4, 7, 5 bar and 2 bar, 7, 0. This gone, this gone, this gone, only 2 is left. So unnecessary, we were not, what we were supposed to add and then add the negative numbers and then subtract. This is known as simultaneous addition and subtraction, which is not possible in your normal mathematics. See, हम वैदिक मैथ्स क्यों सीख रहे हैं? क्या हमें सिर्फ एडिशन के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे? नहीं आएंगे. It would be simultaneous. Not at your age, 3rd, 4th, 5th में भी simultaneous आता है. And that is where we spend most of the time. So how easily we can do this? All the negative numbers are vinculum. Yes, sweetie, now is it clear?
Yes, sir, yes.
How easy it is?
So applied for 8 to 9 digit numbers with simultaneously 8, 9 numbers, horizontal and vertical.
We can apply also what you write down the
Yeah, so
numbers
let's
on the
take one
screen.
sum on that, yeah.
Yes, you can take, you can write down on the screen. We'll solve it.
Yeah, sir, just a minute.
See, whatever comes,
Yes, sir. So like I'm not able to write on that.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. You can speak, I'll write it.
Yeah. No, sir, I did on your own, sir. I did not. Any 6 digits, 7 digits, and you know, my simultaneously.
6 digit number or 6 numbers.
Sir, 6 digit number and addition subtraction में 8 digits. Like थोड़ा
चलो
सा volume बढ़ा
ऐसा
कर दे.
बोलते जाओ. 6 7 8 6 4 5. करेक्ट. ये एक नंबर ले लिया. सब्ट्रैक्शन हमने किया. अगर so let's it be 4 bar, 1 bar, 2 bar, 0, 3 bar, 6 bar. Fine.
Yes, sir.
अभी अगला आप बोलो नेगेटिव रखें पॉजिटिव रखें?
नेगेटिव रखते हैं सर।
यस, एक पॉजिटिव ले लें। चलो, ओह ये तो यही हो गया। देखो अब
4
दिस 6 and 6 कैन कैंसल, 4 आ गया। अगर ये डबल डिजिट में होता तो हम इसे प्लेस वाइज एडिशन कर देते, बिकॉज बेसिकली वी हैव कन्वर्टेड, सी द क्वेश्चन इज साइमल्टेनियस एडिशन एंड सबट्रैक्शन एंड वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू एडिशन. So in such problems, whenever you get simultaneous addition and subtraction, addition can be done by both methods. It can be done by your Shuddha method, it can be done by your place wise addition, but subtraction cannot be done by Shuddha. It has to be done only and only by Vinkulam method. Then only you can easily solve. Correct? Okay.
सर अगर इसमें हमारे पास एक और पॉजिटिव होता है एंड दिस 5 4 की जगह हमारे पास 11 हो जाता, सो व्हाट वुड दैट बी डन?
कहाँ पे? यहाँ 4 की तो क्या हो गया, प्लेस वैल्यू लगा दी ना, भूल गए?
ओके, जनरल के द प्लेस बैलेंसिंग।
हाँ, मैं दैट इज व्हाट आई एम स्पीकिंग, आपने सुना नहीं शायद। Addition has to be done, addition can be done by place wise or Shuddha, but subtraction has to be done by Vinkulam only. Now it's fine.
Yeah.
So don't worry about this, any number comes. See, if you'll go by step, see what was the reason I wrote book, the name was step by step. See, this is what is missing. We start with multiplication first and we don't know the basics. Until unless you go for addition first, you cannot go for multiplication. And once you have not done multiplication, division, you cannot start even. This particular topic, simultaneous addition and subtraction, nobody wants to touch it because lack of, right? Okay. So here it is 4, otherwise 14 or 13, whatever is there. Then 6 and 3, 9 and 8. So 1 bar. Correct?
Yes.
Then
Yes, sir.
5. 8 and 8 bar goes 1 bar. 2 bar, 2 gone, 6. 4 and 2, 6 gone, 8. So it is 860504 and minus 1010. You'll get the answer. Yes, Anita, Smita, any doubt?
सर आंसर क्या है?
860504 minus 1010 निकालो।
सर 1 बार का वो निकालना है ना?
तो वही तो बोल रहा हूं, तभी तो मैंने बोला, आप सुनते नहीं हो ना। 860504 all positive taken. Now subtract 1 0 1 0.
859492.
Yes, 859494. Done?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts now?
No, sir, please take a number where you are getting addition में ज़्यादा, जैसे यहाँ पे 14 आ सकता है, 16 पे 16 आ सकता है. So
हाँ.
take one sum for that also.
तो आने दो ना.
You can add. हाँ, sir, just do one sum for that also.
You tell me the question. I'll do it.
Yes, sir. In this only add one more number, na? In this sum
Okay.
only.
Okay.
You can add one more line. Yeah,
Okay.
So that will get higher numbers.
7.
Let's say triple. Yeah.
8.
7.
8.
Yeah. Let's.
8 9. Right?
Yeah. Right.
Let's remove it now. So now 6, so we cancel it. So we
Yeah.
have 14 minus 1, 13.
13.
Yes.
7.
8 and 8,
So if
16
you
minus
should
9.
reduce the denominator by 6, this minus 6 if you can reduce, so again एक हमें higher positive number मिल जाएगा.
आप बोलो क्या करना है? 1 कर दूं?
हाँ. 4 minus 4, then 8 plus 4 is 12.
Then 8, 6, 14, so 13.
13.
So this would be completely general balancing. I am looking for this balancing plus then we are having a binary collect both together. ये तो complete positive हो जाएगा हर एक number.
आपने चेंज करा दिया मैम, आप जो नंबर मर्जी भर दो ना, इसमें चेंज कर दो. Why are you getting?
So I'll write one sum. I'll just get it out because अगर
No
ये
issues.
higher numbers है तो ये सारे balancing हो
मुझे
जाएगा. सारा.
मुझे मैम, मुझे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सी अगर अप्रोच आपकी ठीक होगी, कभी भी गलत नहीं होगा कोई भी.
हाँ, right sir, right sir. Okay, if I look over here then.
You modify anything.
Okay sir, instead of this about 8 now we can have a 0. So again वहाँ पे negative आ जाएगा. Second 8, 7, 8. So यहाँ हम 0.
यहाँ पर?
नहीं, उसके पहले next 7, 8 के ऊपर जो 8 लिखा, you can have a 0.
Okay.
Yeah, so this would be negative, na?
It would be -1.
Yeah, negative. Yeah.
Okay. Now
And let's take like.
oh,
13
one,
again.
one more digit is still there.
Hmm.
7, 7, 14. Now, okay, let's increase this also. 9 कर दूं इसको?
हाँ sir.
ये 9 कर देते हैं, इसको 2 कर देते हैं.
हाँ, 2 कर देते हैं. हाँ.
चलिए. So 2 बार okay. This is 9. Oh, this is 2 करने से तो 0 हो
Yes
जाएगा.
sir, 0 will also do, na? We'll get a 0, so that will help.
Okay. Now 6, 6, 11. Right. Now is it fine?
Yes sir.
चलिए.
So 1 1 0 0 4 3 3.
So first is your 3.
3. 1 carry.
Then
13.
3 again.
Again 3. Again 4.
And 0.
0.
1 minus 1.
Because this 1 will go here. 1 bar and 1.
Minus 0.
That would be 0. Again 0
0 and 11.
and 11.
7.
11. Yes.
सर अगर यहाँ पे अगर बार 2 होता तो बार 1 को हमें फिर से कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता, लाइक 13 के बाद जो बार 1 है.
बिल्कुल करेंगे ही. मैम आंसर तो आपको नॉर्मल में ही देना ना. आंसर तो आप कर ही नहीं सकते उसमें. वो अभी किया तो था, जैसे अभी जो क्वेश्चन था उसमें भी तो किया था. लेट्स से सपोज यहाँ 2 बार आ जाता है, यही कह रहे हैं आप?
हाँ सर.
नो प्रॉब्लम. लो यहाँ पे 1 बार आ गया. फाइन. अगर 1 बार आ गया तो क्या आंसर आएगा?
035 minus 1000. So but again this is also involving so many steps again. बात तो वही हो गया ना सर.
आप मुझे नहीं आप ये मैम क्वेश्चन आप खुद बनाई जा रहे हैं. फिर आप नॉर्मल में तो कर ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि नॉर्मल में इससे ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. आप चेक कर लीजिए. यहाँ आप साइमल्टेनियस कर रहे हैं. स्टेप्स कैसे ज्यादा हो गए? और ये बहुत बड़ा था ना. फॉर्मूला फिर वैदिक मैथ्स तो मैम करना ही, अगर करना है तो पूरे तरह से करना पड़ेगा ना हमें. हम प्रॉब्लम पता क्या है? सी वी आर ओनली हु आर स्पॉइलिंग द थिंग्स बिकॉज वी ट्राई टू फाइंड मच इजियर. कि अभी ये भी ट्रिक्स जो वर्ड आ गया था ना, ट्रिक्स का कारण यही था. Yesterday I was giving a seminar to the teachers कल मेरा था एक हरियाणा में. So again वही प्रॉब्लम, सर क्यों याद कर रहे आ रहे हो? अरे भाई करना पड़ेगा अगर आपको करना है टॉपिक तो. ठीक है, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
No, sir.
What see, I'll tell you. See, I'm pakka businessman. I was. So why I wrote down books, because I could not find good material. And satisfaction होना बहुत जरूरी है. Confidence होना
Oh,
बहुत
no, sir.
जरूरी
Your
है.
material is quite elaborative. I have just gone through and I've been learning the techniques and everything.
See why it is elaborative. Try to understand. I'm a businessman. I cannot listen to anyone. You know, if somebody complains me, ki, sir, this is not good, I should have an answer to it. So that was the reason I spent time on that and studied so much in depth. Why I am not giving you trigonometry right now? Because still I am doing it. If I am doing it, how can I give you initially? We cannot give only few tips. And I see it's not a challenge, but I'm damn sure simultaneous topic is not covered. I know. So, and your credibility will increase if you give more to the students. Right. So try to teach them so much that they are fully satisfied. Any doubts now? Subtraction, addition, simultaneous.
No, sir.
So let's go to multiplication. So first step is done. Now in multiplication, we have two general concepts. One is known as the same, your Nikhilam, what we did. But here Nikhilam is known as base method. Okay, one thing, Smita, Anita, I told you one thing you have to do. Start pronouncing one sutra every day, or at least 2 sutras a week, so that by the end of the tenure you'll be able to learn these sutras.
Okay,
So one is Nikhilam Sutra, the base method. We learned what is base. Yes, I gave you what is base.
10, 100, 1000.
Perfect. And the second is known as Urdhva Sutra. That is, in simple language for kids, it can be crisscross multiplication. So entire second step will be dealing with Nikhilam Sutra. Now you'll say, why so much of practice? Because we have to discuss each and every case, right? So we'll study case wise so that not even a single number is left. And apart from this book, we'll be going with, now generally we deal with only two numbers, sorry. We'll do 3-digit multiplication, 3-number multiplication. We'll also do 4-number multiplication with base method and 5 numbers. That is not in the book, but we will do it, right? That extra we will be doing. So what is Nikhilam Sutra? The complete name is Nikhilam Navatay Karma Dashatay. That is all from 9 and last from 10. So this approach we'll be using. Now, starting with it, let us start with first single digit numbers. Now, when we talk about single digit numbers, so what are single digit numbers? 1 to 9, correct? No other digit is there. Now, if you say, see, all are less than base, correct?
Yes.
Now, entire this unit, this topic will deal in reference to base. So here for single digit numbers, you have only one case study, that is numbers below the base. Because the moment number becomes more than base, it will turn to the 2-digit number, right? So here only numbers below the base. Now, how to do it? Let us say we have two numbers 9 and 8. Now in base method of multiplication, we use the term reference. It is not directly you are multiplying anything. We always multiply with the help of reference. Now what reference? That is base. We'll write both the numbers one below each other. These are numbers. In the front of it, we'll write difference. Now, there are two things. Difference of what? Difference is, because difference means you have to have some second number. So second number is base. I'll take number minus base, because number is first, then base. So you'll remember because you are writing. So number is 9, base is 10. So what would be the difference? -1. Any doubt? Number is 8, base is 10. So this is there. Now the answer is always in two parts. First part, we will add these, either this one, add, or this one. Both will always have the same answer. So if it is 8 plus -1, that is also 7. 9 plus -2, that is also 7. And on the other side, we have to multiply the right and right. So -1 into -2 is +2. The answer is 2, 72. Now, I'll give one more question. Single digit is very easy for all of you. 5 into 8. Now again 5, 8. So -5, -2. So 8 plus, this is always cross. So 3, and here it is 5 into 2, 10. Now you have to remember one thing. On right hand side, the number of digits, this is very important. Number of digits on RHS on right hand side, it will always depend on your base. Now base is 10. We have only 1 0. So only one digit will be allowed on the right hand side. Like here also, it was only one digit. 5 into 10, 2 is 10, but we cannot have 2 digits. So remember, this will move here, and the answer is 4 0. 6 3. So 6 into 3 is 4. -4 minus 7, 28. And here
-1.
-1. So this 2 will move here. -1 plus 2 will become. Now is it clear, or any doubt still you have? Now, if you have seen the books, in books, the same question is having different sign. Now, okay, I'll tell you. First question we did was 9 and 8. Why I'm telling you this is somewhere in some books, some Google they use. In books, I have written it +1 and +2. Now, why I have written it? Because in that case, we are not adding, we are subtracting. So our operations are opposite. At that time, we are considering base minus number. Because net difference, we took it in a way that will, since the reference point is base, so let us subtract from base. But at that time, we have to remember the operation is negative. So when I was writing a book, I followed this pattern, b minus n. But when we started teaching, then we realized that negative, this minus sign, sometimes people forget. So let us keep this addition. And also, second thing, you always keep number first. So you will not forget that number minus base. Clear? Or any doubts? Yes, anyone has any questions?
No, sir.
So why I cleared this? Because when you'll go back, you'll see the books, then you'll say why sir has given two different things, right? So single digit, I don't think we need more practice. Let's come to the double digit numbers. Now, what are double digit numbers? Again, we'll have case study from here. First case is, yes, we have 10 to 99. So first case is case 1. They are below base. Now, if it is a 2-digit number, and if I say that they are below the base, so what should be the base?
150.
100.
50 is not a base. We'll talk
Sub-base,
about
it's a sub-base.
it later.
100, sir. 100.
Right? See now, so below the base means 100. So let's take an example, 98 into 97. Again, 98, 97, minus 2, minus 3, 6, and 95. Is it correct? Yes. Is it correct? Yes, Anita. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because when we multiply 3, 6. हमारा base 20 है. 20 है, तो वहाँ पे 2 digit चाहिए हमें.
Right. So this is, you have to take care on the right hand side. The digits will depend on the base. So here it is 100 base. I have to take this. Any doubt now? $99 कॉमन नंबर है बहुत. ओके, -1, -3, so 03 and 96. See, now you can do these calculations mentally. 99 into 99, people find it so difficult, but when you do this base method, you know 99 means 9801. Yes, स्मिता समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
चलो सॉल्व करते हैं 2-3 क्वेश्चंस. 94 into 97. इतनी देर का काम नहीं था।
That is -6 -3, that is 18.
Yes.
And 94 -3 is 91. 9118.
Yes, others. Yes, Anita.
Yes.
सर एक
Answer.
बार प्लीज
94. 94 minus 100 कितना होगा?
-6 -6
97 minus base minus
-3
तो कितना आया? 6 into 3 कितना आया?
18
That's all. और इधर कितना आया? 97 minus this minus 6. जब ऐड कर रहे हैं पर वो डिजिट माइनस में है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा ना।
97 -6 ओके
डन। बहुत इजी है ना, कोई बात नहीं, अभी थोड़ी देर में देखते हैं। 92 into 95
874.
87
8740.
yes स्मिता हुआ?
सर 90
क्या हो गया?
ओके सर हो गया।
चलो 90 into 89
8010.
yes Anita answer
Sir, 8010.
स्मिता स्मिता क्या हो गया? इतना देर नहीं लगनी चाहिए।
सर 90 89 का एक बार फिर 19 का क्या
ये देख लो 89 90 so this is -11 -10 क्या आ गया? 110 और इधर 89 minus 79 1 goes here because we cannot have 3 digits now, so 80 and 10 any doubt now?
So 7220.
7220 okay good yes स्मिता जल्दी से करो ना। 76 into 95 बहुत अभी टॉपिक्स करने हैं, स्पीड बढ़ाना सीखो। अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन पर आ गए हम। Yes, sir.
सेवन वन टू क्या?
क्या हो रहा है? 7220 ये लो 24 minus 24 sorry minus 5 what is 24 into 5 120 और इधर कितना आएगा 76 minus 5 see don't now स्मिता देखो यहां नहीं करना आपने 95 minus 24 आपको मुश्किल लगेगा तो 76 minus 5 कर दो 71 तो 1 goes here 72 कितनी देर लगी अब फास्ट करना पड़ेगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में बहुत आगे जाना है अभी राइट 82 into 86 see if it is 92 into 96 it is more easier rather 82 into 86 जबकि छोटा नंबर है वो do you know the reason Smita Anita
मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ज्यादा
because
92
it is
multiplication
we are moving far away from the base because the reference we are taking so we'll go for another good method इससे अच्छा method भी अभी कराऊंगा पहले टफ थोड़ा सा कर लो क्वेश्चन अभी तक बहुत इजी लग रहा है ना थोड़ा टफ कर लेते हैं 92 into 96 और 82 into 86 दोनों निकालो
Sir, 82 and 86, 772
okay
and 96, 8832.
82 into 86 का क्या है 70 52
72.
92 into 96 8832
Yes, sir.
गुड टफ दे दूं
दे दो सर.
चलो पहले एक इजी दे दो 96 into 78 फिर टफ पे आ जाता हूँ 76 into 78
8 78 में से 74. क्या है 7 और 8? तो पहले का है 7488 नेक्स्ट 5908.
हो गया सारे यस स्मिता स्वीटी
Yes.
you know this now एक लास्ट और टफ 76 into 78 का क्या आया अनीता
तो 5908.
रॉन्ग है, चेक कर लो।
76
स्मिता
4992
कितने हो गए?
फाइव नाइन टू।
कौन बताएगा? चेक करना था आपको डिजिट सम से, भूल गए डिजिट सम? देखो ना, डिजिट सम 13 मतलब 4, 15 मतलब 6, 6 into 4 24 मतलब 6। सो आंसर चेक कर लो। यस स्मिता कितने हुए?
ठीक है।
एक और टफ दे देता हूँ, अब सबसे टफ दे देता हूँ। 63 into 64
7 9
4032 32
yeah
63 into 60
yes 4032।
सर पर ये तो हो गया ना कि इसमें भी 33 और ये सब मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज गेटिंग हायर।
नहीं अभी उसका आंसर देने लगा हूं ना।
हाँ
ये तो
हाँ,
जान
हाँ।
के किया गया ना, जान के कराया गया टफ। See, you have to make people understand what is the reason why we use sub base. अगर आप उसको पहले तकलीफ में नहीं लाएंगे बच्चे को, तो वो समझेगा कैसे उसकी यूसेज। So that is why they have to do it. और प्रैक्टिस तभी होगी, घर जाके तो कोई करता ही नहीं। यस स्मिता। अच्छा स्मिता समझ आ गया है? आई नो
हाँ, आ गया है सर।
क्योंकि यू विल डू इट, आई नो।
मल्टीप्लिकेशन में थोड़ी
कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ो अभी, छोड़ो। देखो इधर अभी, सी नाउ, जब आपका 90s में था, then the calculation was easy. That's why I asked you कि this is easy or this. ये नंबर छोटे लग रहे हैं, these numbers are smaller, but still this is easy because we are not directly multiplying the numbers, we are multiplying with the reference. So the more we are moving far away from base, now base is 100. If our numbers are in 90s, that is near. If we are moving far away from the base like this 60, my calculation becomes more tougher. So then what is the use of Vedic mathematics? 99 into 99 आपको रट गया, 9801 मेंटली आपने कर लिया। जैसे ही मैंने 63 into 64 कहा, आप भूल गए। So what is the use then of Vedic maths? जिसकी हम इतनी बढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उसका यूज क्या रह गया? Yes, we will now use a different concept that is known as sub-base. Correct? But before sub-base, I'll go for second case. Sub-base we'll discuss as a third case. Right? Now the second case is when the numbers the numbers are above the base. So how can you have numbers of 2 digit above the base? Yes, क्या होना चाहिए? What should be the base?
सर 100
100 से 100 ही बेस रखेंगे तो नंबर कैसे 2 डिजिट रह जाएगा? 98, 97 ही तो रहेगा. If you have to multiply 11 into 12, so what should be the base? 10.
10.
So what will we have now? Number minus base is 1. Number minus base is 2. Again, the multiplication is same. See, here it is 2 digit, but since the base is bigger, smaller, so only 1 digit. Answer is 132. 14 into 16. 4, 6, 24.
20.
20, but now base is 10. Though it is a double digit number, but base हम 10 लेके चल रहे हैं. So I'll move here. 224 is my answer. Yes, Anita. Clear?
Yes.
Smita? Smita, we have to take care of the base, and इसीलिए मैं ये पैटर्न बना के चल रहा हूँ. नंबर और यहाँ नंबर माइनस बेस माइनस नंबर माइनस बेस, so that
सर
नंबर माइनस बेस आपको इसलिए याद रहेगा क्योंकि नंबर ही आप पहले लिखते हैं. सो नंबर में से ही बेस को निकालेंगे और एडिशन कर दीजिए.
सर 60 आ गया तो तब बेस क्या लेंगे?
अभी रुको, वो टॉपिक अभी मैंने बोला, अभी इसके बाद कराऊंगा. सब बेस लेंगे, बहुत इजी हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो. ये समझ आया? अब देखो 2 डिजिट ही है बट बेस चेंज हो गया. पहले 2 डिजिट सारे आप 100 बेस ले रहे थे, अब 2 डिजिट में ही 10 बेस आ गया. सो दिस इज नोन एज केस 2 व्हेन द numbers are above the base. Correct? It is 2 digit only. (13 into 17) क्या आंसर आएगा? जल्दी निकालो.
Twenty-one 8.
21 and बोलो बोलो
21 8.
कैसे 21 8? ये 21 आ गया, 17 plus
हाँ,
20 आ गया. तो can we have 21 here?
2 to 1.
No, this will move
20 21. 20
2 to 1.
because now we have base as 10. 18 into 19.
Three, 4, 2.
Yes, Anita. Clear?
3, 4. Yes, sir.
7 उधर जाएगा. Yes, Smita.
Yes.
Doubt left, Smita? Okay. Again tough की तरफ चलते हैं. 23 into 24. So what happens? 13 into 14. अब 13 into 14 याद तो रहेगा नहीं. So we can have in the corner, we can again do the same calculation. 13 into 4, 17, 12. So 18, 182. This 182 is done here. But again, you cannot have 3 digits. So 18 will go here. So 18 plus 37 is 55. So 552 is my answer. Yes. Any doubt?
सर ये 37 कैसे आ गया?
24 + 13 कितना होगा?
हाँ यस.
क्या हो गया आज स्मिता?
ओके ओके. 37.
फिर अगेन टफ हो गया क्योंकि क्या हुआ, वी आर मूविंग फार फ्रॉम बेस 10. जब 10 11 थे सारे तो इजी थी कैलकुलेशन. द मोमेंट वी स्टार्ट मूविंग अवे फ्रॉम बेस 100 से जब दूर हुए तब कैलकुलेशन मुश्किल हो गई. अब जब मूव हुए तब कैलकुलेशन मूव हो गई. ओके एक और करके देख लो. 27 × 32. अब देखो और मुश्किल हो जाएगी. प्लीज डू इट. But what questions दिए, exercises are full with number of examples, number of questions. जब तक सारे सॉल्व नहीं करोगे तब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे नहीं होगा. बहुत इजी टॉपिक है. आपकी फर्स्ट 3 बुक्स इजीली हो जाएंगी, उसके बाद सारी शुरू होगा टफ काम.
Grade 6.
So tough था? Was it difficult?
Yeah.
Yes, Smita. So now I'll tell you the concept of third case, sorry, and that is known as when the number is far away from base. Now, so we use is okay. So it is far from base. Now, a very small example I'll give you. One was just now you solved 24, 23, correct? And one will take a base of it was 90, sorry, 65 and 67. Yes, yahi tha. Now what is sub base? Sub base is n into base. So what will be the sub base here? Now both are 20 plus. So I can have a sub base of 20. So if sub base is, if reference is 20, so it will come 24 minus 4 minus 20 is 4. Here 23 minus 3 is, but difference, what difference will come? Again, only one digit is allowed because 20 does not mean it is a bigger. Again, single zero. So only one digit. But here what changes are there when I'm adding this 23 plus 4, I have to multiply this entire number with sub base digit. So that is, it is always the first digit. If it is 100 base, then also it is only a single digit. If it is 10 base, then also it is single digit. So this difference will come. So 27 into 2 will become 54. slash 12. This is balancing line I use. So 552. Yes, यही निकाला था 552. ये रहा, हमने कहीं किया था. Yes, now is it clear? When the number is
Yes.
far away from base. Okay, now say, I'll give you more example on this. 65 and 67.
747.
Now, if I take subbase as 60, so 5, 7. So 6 into 65 plus 7 is 72. And here I have 35. 6. 43. 35. This 3 will also goes to that side. So it will become 4,
5.
3, 9, 5. Any doubt? Yes, Anita, Smita, Anita, Sweetie, any doubts?
No, sir.
Now there is a magic. There is a very very good thing of Vedic maths. There is nothing like you have only one option. No. Now these numbers are also near to 70. So if I take 70 as a base, so this will become minus 5. This will become minus 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
15. 67 minus 5 is 62. But here 62 is multiplied by 7. Earlier 72 was multiplied by 6. So here it is 4 and 43 and 15. So again, I cannot, sorry, 4, 642. What I have done? Seven. Perfect.
42 or 14, sir. 4.
नहीं तो ठीक है 4 1
सर 15 का 1 हम इस तरफ लेंगे ना?
वो तो आ गया.
आ दिया. हाँ.
नहीं कहीं हमने गलती की है मैंने. It has to come more. या यहाँ गलत किया हमने. सॉरी ये देखो यहाँ गलती की थी.
यहाँ सर यहाँ 60 इस तरफ इस तरफ. हाँ.
यहाँ पे 6 2
6 2
12
12 12 12.
It was 4 3
4, 3,
5 5.
5. Yes, sir.
So now also 4 3 5 5. Yes.
Sir, if we take up 60 plus 5, 60 plus 7, then
कौन सा बेटा दोबारा बोलना.
sir, यही वाला 65 और 67. If we take a base 60.
हाँ तो यही तो किया था तब. बेस 60 लिया, सब बेस कहेंगे हम. आप कंफ्यूज नहीं हो, सब बेस कहोगे. तो प्लस 5 आया बिकॉज नंबर इज 65. तो नंबर माइनस बेस 5. जब हमने 60 बेस लिया तो हम 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बिकॉज द फर्स्ट डिजिट सब बेस डिजिट इज 6. 60 का क्या होगा 6. With that we'll multiply. So it was 672. उसका था 432. हमने वहां गलत लिखा था 436 और किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया. मैं भी गलत कर रहा हूँ. And 35 और वो 4355 बन गया. अभी देखो we have changed. I said no, let me take, because question can come like this. Solve this using this base. अब इसी क्वेश्चन को अगर मैं आपको बोलूं बेस 100 से करो तो इज इट पॉसिबल विद फॉर यू. 45 into 43 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ जाएगा. क्या वो इजी है? Yes, Smita. Any doubt? This was your 65 into 67. See, by 3 different methods you can do. By base 100, when you will have base 100, तब आप यहाँ 2 digits ले सकते हैं. When you are using 60 or 70 as a base, then only 1 digit is allowed. This is the difference of working. Clear? I'll give you one more answer. But always prefer base. Example, देखो अब example है 92, 91. Correct? Now, if I take 90 as sub base, so 2, 1, 2 हो गया, 93 हो गया, but I have to multiply with 9 because I have used base sub base as so 7 and 81 and 83. Correct. So answer is 8372. If I take it as base 100, so this is minus 8, minus 9, that would be 72, और यहाँ पे 91 minus 8, that is 83. So answer is 8372. So with so if you can do with base, let it be 10, let it be 100, let it be 1000. Always prefer base, because with that your answer will be simplified, and if not, then sub base is always there. Yes, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay, so now the question is 89 into 86. You have to do it with sub base 80, sub base 90 and base 100. 3 से इसको करना है आपने. हो जाएगा स्मिता, अनीता?
Yes, sir.
पहले बेस 80 कीजिए, सब बेस 80, सॉरी, लेट्स नॉट. कोरा ज्वाइन किया? स्वीटी, हैव यू ज्वाइन कोरा?
What, sir?
Quora, have you joined?
No, sir, not yet.
You should. See, you have to solve queries. So many people are asking queries, and that will benefit you.
Okay, sir, I'll do that by now.
You'll receive so many leads from there because people, they ask their queries on that.
Okay.
Quora, LinkedIn, here, from here you get more professionals.
So yes, I have done it.
तीनों का आंसर सेम आ गया?
Yes, sir. 7654.
कैसा था, कैसा लगा? Which one was the easiest?
The base 100 is a tough.
Tough.
Base 80 is easy.
89, 86 पे तो टफ होना ही नहीं चाहिए. 11 into 11 से तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन आपको आती है.
Sir,
नंबर
yes, sir. But
नंबर सोच के दिया था ताकि 11 आ जाए, 11 से तो बहुत इजी हो जाता है कैलकुलेशन।
यस सर 154 आया तो 75।
यस स्मिता। देखो हमारे पास वहां एक ही मेथड होता था सॉल्व करने का, यहाँ हमने 3 डिफरेंट कर लिए, ये सब बेस लगा दो, वो लगा दो, इसके बाद भी एक मेथड आएगा, वो आएगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, और उसके बाद भी हैं देयर आर स्पेसिफिक टेक्निक्स। अगर ये नंबर ये हो, अगर ये नंबर दिस इज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू दिस, देन विल हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट, सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी। इतने मेथड्स आ जाएंगे आपको थोड़े दिनों में, विद इन 10 days, दैट यू विल start imagining numbers every time. ये स्वीटी हो गया डन। स्मिता ये स्मिता
सर
नहीं हुआ?
100 का थोड़ा डिफरेंट आ रहा है, वो दोनों सेम आ रहे हैं।
किसका
760
किसका डिफरेंट आ रहा है?
100 बेस का।
100 का ये लो, 11 minus 11 minus 14, so what is 11 into 14? 154, correct? 89, 86, so what is 86 minus 11? 75, 75 plus 1, 7654, यही आना चाहिए। यस अनीता, यही आंसर।
हाँ यही है, 7654 आंसर है।
तो कैसे, कहाँ डिफरेंट आ रहा है, कहाँ गलती की?
मैंने 24 लिख दिया था, 14 था ना, 86 14 था ना, -14 वहाँ 24 लिख दिया।
चलो, एनी डाउट? अनीता ने तो सिर पकड़ लिया। अच्छा चलो एक और दिखाता हूँ, एक और केस करते हैं फिर एग्जांपल्स लेंगे। फोर्थ केस, when now far away from base भी हो सकता है, and then one number is above base and one below base. See why? Now here, if you don't know vinculum, you cannot solve. ये बिना vinculum के हो ही नहीं सकता। I'll give you an example. Let's say 89 into 77. Now, see, अगर मैं इसको 70 बेस लेता हूं, तो both are above. Yes, 89 is also above. You do that,
7.
right? If I take sub base as 90, then also both are below. You can do it. 100, both are below. You can do it. But if I take as 80, what will happen? Plus 9 and minus 3. So what happens here is 2 bar 7 bar तक हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन में नेगेटिव नहीं आया, and this is 89 minus 3, so that is 86 into 8. So what is 86 into 8? 8. 64 into plus 4 is 68. Any doubt up till here?
Sir, 89. Okay, 80 base. Okay. No, sir.
So this becomes 6, 8, 6, 7 bar. Again, any doubt?
No, sir.
7. So 60 minus 7 is 53. So 6853 is your answer. अब आपने डिफरेंस समझा? अगर इसको मैं 90 बेस लेता तो both are below, both would be both would be negative. If 70 बेस लेता हूं तो both are above, so both are
Sir, if both are negative, then we take a positive as a
माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है?
positive.
इतनी देर से क्या कर रहे थे हम? 97 into 98 क्या किया था अभी तक आपने?
So my question here would be like, why would not children prefer to use the traditional school method over here? This is also involving so step with the, you know, vinculum, usko convert karo, ye karo. Then why not with the school? If they have a good speed, I think they would do better than in
See,
this.
who
Or by the crisscross, or by the
The-
crisscross.
So yes, that is. See, why are we underestimating? Who are we to decide this? We are. See, when we are doing Vedic mathematics, we have to learn first completely. But I told you in between, we will not teach this to the kids. If you remember, I said first I'll do addition, then I'll go for crisscross multiplication. Even subtraction we don't deal. Because vinculum concept they cannot understand easily. But when we talk about for entrance examination, then it is required. How will you find the square roots? Squares. Cubes. In case of cubes, when you apply Yavaduman Sutra, at that time, sometimes you get this answer. When the number is less, for example, if you have to find 97 cubes, so what you'll do?
-100 minus 3 cube. That way, some like using the base technique or something. Again.
No, not like that. Base, even if you use base technique, that is known as Yavaduman Sutra. Whatever is a deficiency, reduce it further. But in that case also, we have the answer would be coming negative. So vinculum has to.
Okay.
Now, particularly in case of cubes, it's very difficult if you don't know vinculum. Okay, squares, you have 11 methods, you can do it. But when we talk about cubes, you find it really difficult. And see, now we are here when, see, we all are teachers. We have to decide what we have to teach to our kids. And that all you all get that experience in 2 classes, how the student is behaving.
Yes.
But
Yes.
here, if I'll miss something, then I am doing injustice. I cannot omit one part just because it's not confusing. See, why will we use, see, what is the basic advantage of Vedic mathematics? That is visual ability. What happened? So visual ability. Now that has left the decision on us only, na? Ki whether we should opt for base method or whether we should opt for Urdhva Sutra. But if we don't know one method, now simple question: if you get 999 into 999, which method you will follow? Or if you get 9998 into 998, which method will you follow? You cannot go by Urdhva Sutra because that will take much time. But base method will sort it out within a second. So one has to, this is what we are learning, ki how easy we can do it. Is it clear? So now see, that is what I get. People, there are some people who say there are so many methods. How can we remember all these? But my point is, I take it the other way out. I say there are so many options. You choose the best you know, or the best suits you. So you have to start looking the way. One says there are so many methods. Why should we? Which one to learn? I say there are so many options. Whatever you choose. Correct? Yes, Sweetie?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's true. You should know everything. And even I tell the children, you all can choose what you feel is convenient
Yes.
for you. Yes.
So, but yet, now the problem arises if a question is coming. See, today, till today, we have not seen what would be the fate. Maybe tomorrow, if this is implemented, then you cannot say that this is tough. Then we'll have definitely every kind of questions. At that time, it won't be like this method is going tough in this particular topic. Then it is just your practice and then knowledge checking. Then they can ask any question. Now, this is a very simple question with 100. What is the need to go for 80, 70? But the need is, if same question we can solve with 4 different methods, then our knowledge is going up. We cannot learn with solving 4 different questions, but if we solve one question with 4 different methods, then we gain knowledge. Correct? That's the reason I have written in cases. Why case study I am doing? So that none of the method, none of the point, none of the number is left behind. Yes, further any doubt? Yes, Anita, Smita?
No, sir.
Thak gaye? So now you will be able to solve any, see, just if you have all are having books, you have any question in your mind, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can try these 2-digit up till 2-digit numbers, and then we'll have a discussion next class. You know, Sweetie, last week, somebody asked me regarding LCM HCF. His son was going to appear for Sainik School entrance exam. Now, you might be knowing LCM HCF is far easy in Vedic maths. Just a single line. And he was satisfied. Yes, sir. Thank you. Then you feel, yes, we have helped somebody. So he wrote on Quora, and then I solved it out. And then he called me up. Yes. 6 days back, one lady commented on my videos, and you know what is her? I have only 250 plus subscribers because I changed my channel. She has 123K, 123,000 subscribers, and she has enrolled for the next batch now. I was about to ask, how did you get so many subscribers? You need to do business, you'll be needing. Yes, any questions now? So 2 digits covered. Next time 3 digit, 4 digit, all other pending issues over. And apart from that, I'm saying in this book there are not, the few topics are not there. That is 3 number multiplication, 4 number multiplication, and even we'll try 5. And that is why I added. When I was teaching a BTech student, he just asked me, sir, why we cannot do this? Now the same question would be there. My answer would be same. Even you will feel it is useless solving 5 numbers. It is useless because it is tough. But you cannot say no to a student. You have to show them. Then you will say, no, this is not preferable. Right? Any more doubts, topic, anything? Yes.
No, sir.
Jerry,
No, sir.
नींद आ रही है अनीता को तो, है ना मैम?
Yes, sir.
बड़ी जल्दी सोते हो. मेरा तो अभी वीडियो ही 2 बजे तक होगा ये. चलिए, right? So we'll meet on Friday. Okay then. Bye bye.
Okay, good night.
Thank you.